Emily, aka Philly Crew, and I am back with a long-awaited pre-sale merch from Krewella. Video reaction thingamabobber. That was word vomit, as you saw. Anywho, it's been a minute, but last time I was on here for Krewella was my doc. If y'all haven't seen it, it's my 6/8/10 documentary. Basically a feature because it's literally over an hour and 30 minutes long, and me being a film student here in Chicago, I'm like, hey, first thing in my fat portfolio, okay? If you haven't checked that out, please watch it. It's low-key dope. It was for Krewella's 6/8/10 anniversary, 10-year anniversary to be exact. So I'm here today to do an unboxing, a reaction video for Krewella's ZER0 merch. It's finally arrived, and I was at work, it was raining. I was like, bruh, my package is probably wet outside, and I called my roommate, shout out to Elena. She told me to give her a shout out, low-key. Shout out to Elena, thank you so much. I love you, girl. She's literally down the hall. She grabbed the package for me, so it's alive, it's dry, it's okay. I'm very excited. Last time I bought Krewella merch, probably New World Tour, because low-key their merch like be dead AF. Dead AF, no pun intended. Anywho, got all the pieces. I believe it's the t-shirt, the crew neck, and then the beanie. So I'll be trying all of those on for y'all and getting my general reaction, and we're gonna be hype about this, okay? If you're wearing your merch that you got too, like let's twin out here. Let's get popping, okay? I'm gonna open this. ZER0 Tour, dead AF again because of coronavirus, okay? Y'all bet you're wearing your freaking mask out here. I hope so. Sorry for those who have known any loved ones who have caught it or passed from it. My family included. Anyone who's like being impacted by COVID in a really, really way, I'm so sorry. We're all in this together. You know, this is the universe trying to give us a wake up call and be like, yo, you humans suck. Here's something for you guys to like low-key like get your together, and then this is where our lives are right now, okay? The last time I was like this hype about anything, I don't even know. Like something tactile and like tangible that I can hold, something this exciting, I don't remember, but anyway, oh my god. Okay, it's the beanie. It's the freaking beanie. We got the Krewella 3.0 logo K over here. Oh, there's a lovely sticker here in the back. Let's go full beauty guru on them. Okay, so it says crew beanie. I don't know if y'all can see that, if it's backwards or not. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But yeah. Oh, she's cute. What the f? Okay. I made sure that I did my hair decent because we're gonna be putting on a beanie. Get the out. Oh my god. Okay, low-key, Emily, fix your hair. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Dude, Yasmin Jahan, if you're even gonna watch this, highly doubt it. Y'all already know I'm gonna be repping your freaking merch out here in Chicago, okay? This beanie low-key lays really good too. It's cute, it's hot. I can't keep. Stop looking at yourself, Emily, God. All right, so we have the next one. You know what? I'm gonna go on like my mailing app and like look at what these are actually called, like these pieces, because homegirl low-key doesn't even know. And we're gonna be factual up in here if we're gonna do an unboxing like this, because we're Philly Crew and we make YouTube videos for Krewella. I'm kidding, I'm really not like that. Next thing, we have the 10-year anniversary tee. So this has to do with 6/8/10, I'm assuming. We're gonna open her up. This is the 10-year anniversary tee. Looks ginormous for me, but for a regular adult, probably gonna be fine. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to cut it. We're gonna have to cut it at the bottom. I'm pretty sure I said that last time I like did an unboxing video for like the New World Tour merch. I'm probably gonna have to cut this shirt too, but it's okay. You gotta make it work. This is so precious. Oh my god, we have the Roman numerals for 6/8/10, Krewella logo. We got the flower. This is like the flower from like the Runaway album art. We're gonna pop it on real quick. Here she is in the flesh on the body. That's me. She's cute. Oh my god. Okay, it's a little long, of course. I'm probably gonna have to cut it like right there. Oh my god. I love new merch. Like, this is my thing about buying merch, is like I never want to wear it because I don't want the detailing and like the coloring to like fade at any degree, okay? Or for like the design to like art cracks on a shirt, that makes me really sad. So I never want to wear my merch. Does anyone feel what I'm saying? Like, you never want to wear it because you want to savor it. It's okay, we're gonna rep it up. But we're gonna open the last one. This is the crew neck. This is the ZER0 long sleeve. Okay, low-key, any long sleeve that has detailing on the sleeves, that is effort, my friends. Okay, that is true artistry when it comes to making merch and designing merch. Anything on the sleeves, like, I love anything on the sleeves. Oh my god, the ZER0 hand. We got the Pakistani moon and star. We got ZER0 going all around, and then the ZER0 is all up on the sleeves. So that is what we have right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on real quick, do a little try on for y'all. Oh my god, a vibe. It's starting to get really cold here in Chicago, and like low-key having a new Krewella merch long sleeve is honestly all that I could ask for right now. I feel fresh. I feel like rejuvenated. I feel alive. No pun intended. So yeah, we got the sleeve detailing right there, and then the design, of course. I'm wearing one of my favorite tracks. Yay, how exciting. We love new merch. That was the unboxing. Oh my goodness. Honestly, seeing these pieces and like seeing them all out here and just like live and in person and touching them, low-key the closest that we are going to get to the ZER0 tour in I don't even know how long, especially because we don't know how long the COVID and the pandemic is going to last, especially. So this is the closest that we're probably gonna get to like physically touching anything related to like the ZER0 tour. Obviously Krewella, they have done their like sets and everything during like the summer and during quarantine and stuff, so maybe hopefully we can see more of that in the future. I do know that they definitely have stuff coming out for us soon. I don't know what. Saw on social media, Instagram, whatever. Stuff be really rough right now, and everybody seriously deserves to just like go to a show at their favorite artist, you know, Krewella. Go to one of their shows like soon, hopefully soon, and to just like rage and get sweaty and dance and sing and scream and headbang and all this right, and unleash the demons at these shows, right? And like I just can't wait to be back in that environment because I know other people need it, I need it, but it's fine. We're surviving, we're here, we're alive, and that's all that matters. Okay, hopefully we will all be reunited at a show or like any online event for Krewella soon. I love you guys. Follow my Twitter, Philly Crew. Instagram, not really on it that much for Krewella, but I do have a Philly Crew Instagram, so same thing. And yeah, make sure you guys hit that circle in the outro to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, if you haven't seen that vlog yet, and of course, if you guys haven't seen that documentary for Krewella yet, y'all gotta check that out in the outro too. I'll link it there, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!